Morning guys and girls. Right, this morning I'm going to be doing something a bit different. As you might have seen on the last video, I got given this. Now, I've done some testing, some spark testing, and I've asked some advice from a couple of forums, and the consensus is it is a carbon steel, albeit a lower carbon steel, so you're not going to get anything fantastic out of this. Wouldn't be any good for knife making and things, but I think it's going to be okay for making something like a, well, maybe a cleaver. And I've never done anything like this before. I've worked in foundries, but I've never done kind of blacksmithing stuff, so today's gonna be a learning curve. So we're gonna have a play at this. So I'm gonna cut this off about here. I'm thinking that's almost a ready-made kind of handle, and I think I've got more than enough steel here to forge out like a smallish cleaver out. So we're gonna have a bit of fun with it today. All right, see you in a second. Just so you know, I've always got a fire extinguisher and a bucket of water handy if I need it. Alright guys, this is the setup I'm going to use today. Now the reason I've put the forge in the shed, or just there, is so that I can see the colours better, because it's a bit difficult. But if you notice, safety, 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 that's behind the door, and I've got the bottle right out of the way. Also, as I said, I've got fire extinguishers and water, and also I've already done a test fire on this, and my hand I can put there, and there's no heat at all coming up. You know, these things are pretty efficient, so there's no risk there at all. And obviously the flames are coming out here, so there's nothing around. These are pretty confined little units. And the back, I mean, I've had it running for 10 minutes and the back's stone cold. So, you know, I'm safety first. I've worked in a foundry for years, so, you know, safety's quite important to me. So we're gonna give it a go. We'll turn the forge on. We'll get up to temperature. I've been running this one at about 1 bar, but I've looked on the instructions again, and you can run this at about 1.6 or 24 psi. And I think I'm going to turn it up a little bit just to get that extra heat in it, so that I can have a go with the anvil. Now, I haven't got any proper tools, I've only got a crappy ball peen hammer, but let's have a go, shall we? Let the forge heat up now guys, we'll come back. Where I'm a novice, obviously, as you can see. You know, the handle I'm going to try and form right there. I think that'll be okay, but if you look, I think I've got way too much steel there, but that's because I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, I'm having fun. just all I'm doing now is drawing out the blade, or sorry, the steel I've got a bit, just so I've got it. Well, I'm going to have to cut it at some point here, it's just too much metal there, but I'm just trying to draw it out. Guys, I've pretty much drawn it out now. Let's have a look at it, see what you think, and then we'll see what we can do with it. So you've drawn it out a bit now. Plenty of meat there. Now we're going to try and just draw it out if we can. See what we do. I'm getting too old for this. Right. It's not what I thought it was going to turn out, to be honest. But we have ourselves a Franken chopper, I think. It's not a cleaver, it's not a chopper. So is it a clopper or a cheever? Or neither or either? I don't know. But anyway, let's give it a little clean up. I've normalised this again. I think I'm doing it right. Anyone who knows better, I get it to just non-magnetic, take it out in still air till it goes black, and then I did the same again just before it gets magnetic, or thereabouts, and let it go black. So I think I'm getting it right, but I don't know, because we don't even know what steel this is, do we? So it's all a guess, really. But yeah, we'll have a little clean up, we'll have a look, and then I'm going for a beer. See you in a minute. Hi everyone. Right, cleaned it up. Obviously I'm going to finish it all up a bit better than this. I'll probably put a handle on it. I'm going to try and heat treat it, just see what happens. But it actually feels really good in the hand. Well, I should imagine my wife will find some use for that. I've been naughty. Anyway, look. So there we are, that's Franken chopper. But I mean, considering that's the first time I've ever done any forging, I mean, that I can straighten that up. Well, you know, there's only a couple of little kinks which will straighten easily, I think. But considering I got that from a pickaxe this morning, do you know what? I'm pretty pleased with that, and it feels really good in the hand. Anyway, hopefully this has been entertaining for you, because it has for me. And I'll see you soon, guys, with part 2. Bye bye.